How to turn on or off page updates on Facebook. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to turn on or off page updates on Facebook app easy and quick. First thing, go to your Facebook, click on it, go to your page. And here, once you are in your page, just click on the setting icon beside the search icon and click on the first option, which is general. And here, scroll down and click on page update, which is the last option, to automatically publish posts when info is updated on this page. Click on or off to manage this option, and this is it, easy and quick. Hope this video was helpful to you guys. If this video was helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like to help us.